Masasabi lang kasi po. Welcome to the sudden death march of FMOMC! See you later!
Yeah.
Integrated. Maayos siya na-integrate. Kasi kung ang magiging dating
Oh my God!
Endocrine causes, the most common etiologies was considered. First, non-beta cell tumor hypoglycemia was considered as this would also
Please, kamusta ka naman ngayon? Oh, laban. Sige, anong gusto mong masabi before ka mag-present mamaya?
Ang gusto ko lang masabi ay sana masikat yung mga tanong na natatanungin ng Big 3.
Okay. Anong aabangan natin sa ano mo?
Saan daw?
Anong aabangan natin sa presentation?
Hindi ko malaman. Piling ko nga.
Sige.
I don't know though. I'm speechless at the
Okay.
moment.
Sige, much interview. What do you feel right now?
Gusto ko na lang po ulit manood ng interesting case. Ayaw na po mag-present ulit.
So, anong aabangan natin sa case mo mamaya?
Abangan niyo po ang aking pagkakalat. At ang special mention ng aking favorite song ng Fall Out Boy.
Wow! Sige, maganda yan. Sige, sige. Thank you. Ikaw naman, blessed. Anong masasabi mo?
Nakakakaba daw.
Yun lang.
Kaya yan daw.
Sige, anong aabangan natin sa case mo?
Ang pagkakalat sa unang present day.
Oo, palay ka mang
Hayaan
una.
ko na po ang mga next presenter.
Okay, sige. God bless, guys. Papasok naman ako sa loob. Okay, so, kamusta ka naman ngayon bilang ikaw ay from at magpe-present mamaya?
Excited nang matapos pero kinakabahan dahil sa Q&A. God bless us.
Anong aabangan natin sa case mo mamaya?
Abangan niyo na lang po kung umiyak mamaya. Joke lang.
Okay. God bless. Okay.
God bless us all.
Doc Vic? Doc Vic, are you excited po mamaya?
Excited.
Nung ano pong masasabi niyo?
Good luck sa kanila.
Takot ako. Ako ang natakot. Wala lang doon. Sige po.
Ano ko na naman, na-review ko naman yung discussion.
Sige po, Doc.
And I gave them some pointers. I hope na doon sa discussion mamaya, no? Medyo mas mag-clear up yung mga ibang issues na hindi na added. So,
Sige po, Doc. Aabangan po natin.
good luck na lang.
Thank you po, Doc. Dito naman tayo sa kapila. Anong masasabi mo? At wala po siya nasabi. Anong aabangan?
I would like to invoke my right against self-incrimination.
Okay, sige. Kaya mo yan. Anong masasabi mo sa preparations?
Okay, nag-prepare naman na sila to the best of their ability. So, later ay ano na lang, chill na lang.
Yay! Ikaw, Doc Bay, anong masasabi mo today?
Today is the day that we are all waiting for.
Yay!
Let's welcome to the floor.
Tapos na siya, Doc. Doc Paxi, ano pong masasabi niyo po today sa interesting case? Are you excited?
Siyempre, good luck to all our first years. Alam ko they prepared well and this will be a very good learning experience for all of us. Good luck!
Thank you, Doc. Yay! Our gamit. Ready na ba kayo?
one of our chief presidents. Currently, she's serving as a school.
Hey, ganda ng timer. Hello. Nak, anong masasabi mo sa interesting case ngayon?
Interesting.
Ayoko na. Alis lang naman ako. Ayan o. Hi guys. Picture muna bago maano. Smile. Ayan na, okay na. Bago mausig.
Lord, may your goodness and love be present amongst us today. Come bless our gathering with unity, hope.
Because I want you to learn something from our. It will also be a learning opportunity for all of us, especially for not only your cases may not be really interesting, okay, but how you were able to get or how you were able to arrive at the diagnosis will make it interesting, so that I know.
We are proud to present to you our very own Dr. Chanel Monloy Dizon.
The Chief of Clinics of Hospital ng Maynila Medical Center. Let us all welcome Attorney Malaya Kaulo.
Yes, Medical Foundation Department of Internal Medicine, and is also our very own active consultant here at the Department of Family and Community Medicine Hospital ng Maynila Medical Center. To complete the list of our judges, we present to you the chairman of the panel, Dr. Vic F. Chua.
Before said, God places the heaviest burden on those who can carry its weight. No question this is true, and true enough for my patient, but more. This is a case of FAD, a 47-year-old female who came in with a chief complaint.
This is my wellness plan for my patient, for her current living partner, and for her 3-year-old son.
Very systematic yung pagkwento mo dun sa nangyari.
Yes, po.
Ang tanong ko, yung 44 ba, purely on the obese side or nag-contribute yung dalawang classes sa abdomen niya? Kasi pag nagbibigay ng chance sa kanya, baka may na.
Overall, maganda naman yung presentation, maganda yung discussions, very comprehensive.
Good afternoon, doctors. I am Errol Martin and I will present my interesting case entitled Digging Deeper. This is a case of a 76-year-old female who came in due to a mass at the right infraauricular area. Well, until 10 days prior to consultation, she noticed a mass on the right infraauricular area, which gradually...
Ayun na, make sure na kayo before you submit, double-check yung paper, yung mga wordings, yung mga typo errors, yan, very important yan. Kasi syempre, pag binasa ng judges, they expect na ilang beses na check yung paper. I also appreciate that you included.
As you said earlier, after you submitted the report, saka lang lumabas yung result ng biopsy and yung histochemical stains. The spot rating for this would be 80%.
Possibly short for 2 seconds. 5 months prior to consult, criticisms of symptoms were noted, and she started to take
I also noticed na meron kayo parang attachment ating sa likod o kasi nandun din yung name mo, so yung nagsabi ng paper sa AFP.
And upon further readings, I only encountered of case reports about this disease. And upon further conversation with the two departments that I've encountered, mainly the eye neurology and ophthalmology, the neuro-ophthalmology consultant actually.
Kape lang talaga, kape.
Snacks!
Case entitled, Sugar We're Going Down. This is a case of patient MRC, a 50-year-old female claiming with a chief complaint of generalized body weakness. Serum cortisol is needed as an initial test to investigate the disease. Hence, this condition cannot be totally
could have a migraine or a factitious hypoglycemia po ng other episodes. So we screen for possible psychological conditions that could trigger the hypoglycemia.
When only heavy facial involvement was affected.
Thank you for the question, Doctor. Based on my views on this disease and
a 65-year-old man
came in with a CC of
Happy Birthday!
Birthday is very approachable. Pwede mo siya gamitan.
Inspiring. Thank you for always sharing your intelligence and wisdom with us.
C. Mary, thank you for taking care of us and always listening to all our concerns, mapalike, or sa local patient.
Happy birthday, lovely! We love you!
Birthday ni Lovely?
Tunay ba yan?
Happy birthday!
Great practice. Go ahead, I'm waiting you. So ito, nakakita yung experience nyo ng mga prototype. So, ikaw ba? Ako yung most unforgettable for me.
Happy birthday, Dr. We hope you have a great day. Also, we call all the 100 person who wants to meet you that we call on our department.
Sa department. So, napapansin ko kasi kayo, Doc, una sa lahat, papatiin kita sa ng maligayang kaarawan. Ano, Tagalog, English na.
This certificate is awarded to Dr.
Kaya siyempre yung mga first year. So, kamusta naman ang pag-aaral ko sa lahat ngayon? Hindi na mo siya mabigat pag-aaral.
Okay, sige. Ito naman sa... Paano din makakapagkita naman ito? Okay, sige. Sama mo lang. Okay, Evan. Kamusta na naman? Ano ba sabi mo?
Makakapagpahinga na po rin, makakapagpumatahin.
Personally go.
Pero parang from this event po, it's different in the case namin. medicine is very financial talaga. Partner,
interesting case. Kita! Ano ba yung sabi niyo doon regarding our event today?
Yung event today ay yun yung isa sa mga highlights kasi talaga ng pagiging family position.
First year, congratulations kasi yung isang round sa university na nagpasa namin. Pero hindi lang siya, pero hindi lang naging dito. Hindi mo kasi second year. Sayang ang pagdaan. Pero pag iba,
hindi dito na
Next will be the announcement of the grand winner who will represent our department in the regional competition of this year. He or she is no other than
Congrats to our first year. So, hindi dito natatapos to. So, susundan nyo pa rin yung mga pasyente nyo. Okay? For our...
1, 2, 3, smile!